Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.1 question number 8. The rainfall in millimeter in a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follows. Day, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Rainfall in millimeter 0.0, 12.2, 2.1, 0.0, 20.5, 5.5 and 1.0. Find the range of the rainfall in the above data. Here you see the range. Find the mean rainfall for the week and upon on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall. Question 1 is find the range of the rainfall in the above data. Here you see the range of the rainfall will be highest rainfall minus lowest rainfall. Highest rainfall you see here, the highest rainfall is 20.5, that is on Friday, that is 20.5, and lowest rainfall is on Monday, that is 0.0. Therefore 20.5 minus 0.0, it comes to 20.5 millimeter. Therefore the range of the rainfall is 20.5 millimeter. Question number 2, find the mean rainfall for the week, right? Therefore mean rainfall is equal to sum of the rainfall recorded divided by total number of days. Sum of the rainfall recorded was 0.0 plus 12.2 plus 2.1 plus 0.0 plus 20.5 plus 5.5 plus 1.0 divided by number of days 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 7. And if you add these numbers, we are getting 41.3 divided by 7. It comes to 5.9 millimeter. Therefore, the mean rainfall is 5.9 millimeter. Question number 3. On how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? Here you say mean rainfall is 5.9. Therefore, it is in Monday it is 0.0, it is less than 5.9. On Tuesday 12.2, it is greater than 5.9. Next Wednesday it is 2.1, that is less than 5.9. 0.0, it is less than 5.9. 20.5, it is greater than 5.9. 5.5, it is less than 5.9. And 1.0, it is also less than 5.9. Therefore you can say that number of days is 1, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday, right? Therefore we can say that how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? 5 days, that is Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday rainfall were less than the mean rainfall. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.